Look, you keep failing this one test on YouTube. The test that decides whether you get views or you get buried. And you keep failing it because the algorithm has no clue who you're talking to. No avatar, no audience, no push. I learned this one the hard way until one video aimed at one person made 25K. And I'm gonna show you how you can pass that test every single time. Now, outdated content tells you to just post more and just stay consistent, like that fixes anything. If posting more was the answer, then I know some of you would already have all the views and the customers that you want. The real problem is that you talk to a new person or avatar in every single video. So the algorithm can't trust you or push you. In a second, I'm gonna show you the simple switch that shows YouTube exactly who you're talking to and who your videos. If you wanna build your avatar the right way, then grab the Ramp OS first link down below. It's a simple worksheet that you can fill in as you're watching this video. This way, you'll nail your avatar and the algorithm will know exactly who to push your videos. Okay, so let me break this whole YouTube test wide open. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how the algorithm decides who gets views, why the creators who do just talk to that one avatar explode whilst everyone else is stuck. And by the end, you'll have your avatar locked in. So, the hidden test your video takes. Before your video gets pushed anywhere, YouTube gives it one simple test. Who is this for? I mean, think about it. When you upload a video, YouTube has to answer so many different questions. Who's the viewer? What problem do you solve? What value do you provide? And what is your channel even supposed to be? And the only way that it can really get its answers is by sending it to two different groups of people. One, your subscribers, and two, a lookalike audience of those subscribers. This is just a group of people that look like the people that subscribe to your channel. They like similar things. And YouTube just measures exactly how those two groups react. If they react well, by clicking, watching the video, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the video, YouTube just expands this test to a bigger lookalike cluster. If the group keeps responding well, then the test size just gets bigger and bigger. But if they react poorly, you fail. And when you fail that test, you get no push equals no viewers. No viewers equals no growth. And most creators just think it's about posting more. But if every video talks to a different person, then YouTube gets confused and your viewer gets confused. When you post all kinds of videos, YouTube doesn't know what box to put you in, and neither does the viewer. They came for advice on mental health and now you're talking about the gym. Think about your last 3 uploads. Did they all speak to the same person? The scatter problem. Most creators create videos for anyone who might need this. But anyone and everyone is the fastest way to no one. When your message shifts from video to video, viewers get confused, and so does the algorithm. When you look at channels that are actually making money, not the big channels that are just posting a variety of content, but the ones that are actually making money, selling courses, products, coaching systems, they all talk to one person. Their messaging is locked in. The algorithm always knows who to show their videos to. So no, you don't need more videos, you just need more focus. The one person rule. Your avatar is the single person that you build every single video for. Not an age range, not a niche, an actual person with a job, with dreams, with fears, and a real reason that they need to watch your next video. And when you write for that one person, your hooks get sharper and your stories land. Your advice becomes super clear, and that person actually watches your video and they actually get value from it. And then YouTube understands exactly the kind of person that they should be sending your videos to. Do you have an avatar yet? And if you do, and if they watch your last video, would they feel like, yeah, this video was made for me? If not, don't stress it. We're gonna make it in the next step. Your avatar. Remember, you can grab this exact worksheet in the first link down below, but this is the audience avatar builder. It will literally take you 10 minutes, and it's just a few questions that you need to answer to build out your avatar. Starting with question 1, what do they do? In all of these questions, make sure you're describing a real human. Imagine the person that you want to talk to. Imagine the person that you can help. What do they do? Describe their day-to-day world. What is their job? Or do they own a business? Or do they have a skill? You'll find examples as well that'll help you when it comes to writing. These are very short. You need to be very specific. The more specific, the better your avatar, the better all of your messaging in all of your content will be. And guys, this isn't just for content. This will be used across the board. This can be used for email marketing, any marketing material, all your scripts, all of your Instagram posts, absolutely everything. Everything will always relate back to this avatar, so it's super important that you get this locked in and give it as much information as possible. And when you start to evolve and your service evolves, the avatar will evolve as well. You may be speaking to this person now, but in 1 year's time and you've evolved your skill set, you may be talking to someone that's more advanced. Make sure that you come back to this and keep updating. 2, what do they really want? And think beyond surface goals here. What's the outcome they really dream of? You may think it's just money, but why do they want that money? Is it for freedom? Is it for power? Is it for status? Is it for all 3? The deeper you think, the clearer your avatar. 3, why do they want it? And you just keep asking why here. Every time you get an answer, ask why, ask why, ask why. And what happens if they don't get it? Describe the consequences, practical and emotional. Do they have to go back to working a 9 to 5? Will they be homeless in 2 years? Will AI steal their job? Really get deep here. 5, what's stopping them? Identify all the barriers. 6, what from their past shapes who they are today? Add a moment, experience, or a pattern that describes exactly what they're feeling today. This is so crucial when it comes to helping you with storytelling. And why does your content matter to them? What can you give them that nobody else can? Is it perspective or is it a system? And 8, how should they feel after they've consumed your content? Should there be an immediate transformation? What transformation happens in their mind? And then finally, their desires, their fears, and their objections. These tell you exactly what your content needs to solve. Once you fill this out, you'll have that one person. You'll have your avatar built out. And if you did download the worksheet, there's also an AI prompt that'll help you if you're not too sure on how your avatar should look. The clearer you can be on who your avatar is, the better everything that you produce in the future will be. Now that you've built your avatar, let's lock in how to use your avatar in every video. Every hook, every story should be speaking to this avatar. When you write your script, picture them. When you press record, talk to them. When you're editing, ask, would they stay for this? Remember, views aren't the #1 metric that we're going for here. We want the right people watching our video. And when you start doing this, everything will start to change. Retention will go up, return of viewers will go up, comments will start to say, I feel like you're talking to me. And that's a sign that your avatar is working. And then YouTube can just start finding more and more people like your avatar. You've just passed the test that most creators fail. So quick recap. YouTube test every single video by asking, who is this video for? If you don't have a clear answer, you fail. Your avatar is the answer. So use this worksheet and talk to one person, and the algorithm will finally know who to push your videos. Remember, you can grab the worksheet in the first link down below. Now you've got your avatar and you're set up to attract the right people. The last thing that you want to do is kill that momentum with one mistake that's quietly destroying your growth. In that video, I'll show you the settings that most creators are ignoring and it's costing them. And I'll show you how to fix it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in that video.